So folks, we're continuing on with fall. We're changing our French street floral cart over to a farmer's fall market cart. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Alrighty folks, I changed out the umbrella on the street cart. So we got rid of the lacy little cute parasol, and now we have a violet one for fall. You know I'm not falling off for orange. So I thought you might want to see what I'm going to do with it today. Going to have a lot of fun. Now I'm taking the milk crate out and I'm making a little bit of a bigger vignette out of this whole area. So we've got to have room for our new friends in the cart. And I don't want a bunch of straw, so how am I going to pull off a nest? Well, we're going to do it with something different, like some ferns. And oh, those folks that have been looking for some fall leaves, maybe more than I've been using. Now we got to get rid of white, and we're going to get rid of little white sprinkler can, and we traded it out for this can, which it's a pretty big size, but I think it'll work here. We've got our cans and pots up on the top because we're selling fruits and flowers and everything for harvest for fall. Okay, so Mama's got to be on her nest. And we're going to take a big basket and we're going to make it fall and make it cute. Now we got some of our turning ferns. We got a berry branch. We'll get our biggest pieces in the back. And then she's going to go in the basket. Look at that mug. Oh my goodness. It's getting cute. Now Daddy Rooster on the watch. He's going to watch and make sure everything's running smooth. And Junior, I know I don't have to ask, I know you like my new haircut, and I look almost human. Baby Rooster, we got a cute little carry box here. I kind of want them on top. See if I got room. He's just got his nose in everywhere. Okay. Oh, I knew it. I can't keep a straight face with that hen on the nest. Here's our little pots. There, that's a little more coordinated. How's he gonna get away with that? With that French sign? Okay, let's look at it. How about like that for starters? And we have our new market signs. I don't know what's cuter, the apples or the pumpkins. Let me know which one's cuter to you, the pumpkin or the apple. The other biggie is changing out our wisteria for fall. So we got to look at that. And I've got two different look at this. We got roasty toasty colors. So we're mimicking what we did when I first put this together. Now we need some baskets made up. We need squash and pumpkins for our market. There's a feathery fern. Finish this basket. A happy sunflower. Some cute fall leaves for a background. And here's a cute pick with a little pumpkin and everything tied on it for you, all ready to go. Look at that. Not bad. We'll get that in our display. We need an arrangement in that can. I've got stuff everywhere planned for this. This color sunflower is just right up my alley of thinking. But we'll want some, you know, multiple colors in there. Boy, that's too good for the, yeah, I need those low ones for the pots. I don't know what's cuter, folks, than sunflowers in a watering can. Right there. Some different colors. Again, we want to mix in them colors. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh yeah. She's self-contained. She's completely self-contained. Little 3 bud piece. Not so little, but totally cute. And we gotta bust this up. You know our lavender's coming. We want a little dimension in that can. Need a pick and a pumpkin. And Peter Piper. Say that fast 3 times, if you can. See, here we're not worried about our yellow and orange, because we got a lot going on. Mother, you need to show off what you do for the market. I think this guy's got to move. There's fresh eggs. She's too cute. He's going to have to take a little lesser spot. You know, I got to do it. You guys just don't quit. I mean, how many chickens we going to have? You know the trick to fill your basket in, I call it like by half, so it doesn't gobble up all your stuff. And then start out with things that aren't really of the season, whatever you have that's not going to take away from what you're really trying to show, which here for fall, of course, we're going to show a cute basket of apples. And then I want a bucket of tomatoes. So we have apples for sale in our cart. We get maybe, yep, okay, one more. Then here's our bucket. We can turn it around because it says flowers, and we're gonna have a bucket of tomatoes instead because we're doing our farmer's market. Now, you know I love these little pear tomatoes or cherry tomatoes because they'll hang over a bit. Oh, look. Yes, sir. Look at this. Cute. Where do we need a different color? Right there. That might have to go away. All you spry young folks, this working down here low ain't gonna hurt you at all. If you don't think you can work down here, you're telling on yourself. Oh, look at, now I've filled that farmer's market tote box with just some fill. And we put in some pumpkins and gourds. Now over here I've got this barley piece, and I'm gonna put some corn in this pot. We'll get some yellow down in here. Get some color. And it looks like we got just a bountiful, plentiful harvest to take to the market. Anybody notice the flat tire next to the daddy rooster? Flat tire squash. Okay, we got one more, this little box to do. We're gonna get some spring fill in the bottom. We're gonna put some leaves in to cover that, and it doesn't take much. 2 little bunches. And we can get some more cute things, pumpkins and gourds in here. In our little schoolhouse carry box. You want to accent everything you got. I think I need something there and something else. Maybe that. That white would go cute with that. Trade that for, oh, right, let's take a look at our farmer's market cart. I got a few more birds and chickens, and I'm gonna have to take you now and show you all around. Okay guys, you know we're gonna say hello to Beatrice Garcia and Marty Vasilis, Vicky McKenney, and we got Ladybug, Elsie Kirk, and Carolyn Scalabro. Thanks for coming by, girls. And if you liked our video today, give us a like, a share, a comment. Send your girlfriend over. We'll make her happy right here on my take on home and garden. Thanks a lot, folks. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you in the next over-the-top decor video.